Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will find a replacement for the switch case in Python. So let's get started. So for those who do not know about the C programming language, C programs as well as C++ programs allow you to create something called as a switch case. So let me explain you a simple illustration of what a switch case is. So basically, switch case will take a system, will take an argument, and if the case corresponds to the case called A, it performs a task 1 and breaks out of the case. Else, if it has a case of B, it will pass the task 2 and breaks. And this is how the switch case is created. So basically, if you have a lot of tasks to be created, and if your execution needs to be performed based on the requirements of a task, you will create a switch case and assign different tasks to them so that you will not end up writing a lot of code. But the issue is Python does not have any switch case. So we will find an appropriate method of creating our own switch case. So basically, let me create first a function called as case, and this will basically take a key as an argument on based on which we'll create the cases. And now let me create a dictionary called as cases, which will have a set of key value pairs. So let's see there's a task A, and there's that task will be done as a task 1 and a value B, and that task will be performed as a task 2. And now all we got to do is we need to return the key value pair created by the key call from the function. So for that, I will call the name of the dictionary, and inside the key specification, I will specify the key given as an argument from the user. And that's it. We have created our own switch case. So let's try to understand how to use this. So first thing is, let me create a response variable that will store the data returned by this function, that is the case. And now all I need to do is call the function case, and let's say if I put my task A, and now if I run the code, I will get a response as 1. So basically, since we went in use the switch case of A, we got the task 1. Likewise, if I put the case B, I will get to perform the task 2. So isn't this really simple? We used the knowledge of dictionaries in Python and created our own switch statements. Now the imagination is unlimited. You can also make use of lists and perform indexing and create your own cases. And based on these cases, you can assign tasks that can be performed in your program. So that's it from this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.